Hi friends! Welcome to another video. In this video, we will visit the small village of Polperro in Cornwall, England. In August 2025, I spent 1 month in Looe. Looe is a cute fishing town in southeast Cornwall. Last week, I posted a video all about Looe, so you can check it out if you like. Polperro is just a 10 minutes drive from Looe, or 20-30 minutes by bus. It is a car-free village. The village lanes are too narrow for standard cars. Visitors can park at the top of the hill and walk down or take a local shuttle, like this one. Not having cars around makes it very peaceful. We are now walking towards the harbour. I love this little stream. Polperro is famous for its beautiful 13th century cottages. The cottages are built using traditional Cornish slate and granite, then coated in a layer of whitewash to protect the stone from coastal salt spray. Polperro sits in a steep valley along the southwest coast path between Looe and Fowey. There is not much space in the valley, so the cottages are tightly packed together. Polperro is not only a postcard kind of village, there are also quite a lot of things to do, like visiting art galleries and museums. This is the Ebenezer Gallery. On the way to the harbour, we can find more art galleries and shops with locally produced items. Polperro is truly such a lovely, peaceful place to be. I was so lucky to visit it on a beautiful sunny day. Fresh coastal crab is one of the most celebrated culinary traditions in Cornwall. Local fishermen still catch crabs the traditional way, using mesh traps. This method targets large males while letting smaller crabs and females escape, keeping the fishery highly sustainable. Tea rooms where to drink tea and coffee or eat scones are also very popular here. There are also quite a few restaurants in Polperro. I will show you the one I chose towards the end of this video. Visiting the model village is another activity to do in Polperro. The Polperro model village is a perfect 2-scale replica of the actual village. Here, you can also visit the Land of Legend, a walkthrough attraction that uses lights, sound effects, and animated puppets to bring local history and folklore to life. will also find traditional Cornish pubs in Polperro, like the Ship Inn, and churches like Polperro Methodist Church. So nice to see how Cornish pasties are made. Traditionally, they are made of beef, potato, onion, suet, and seasoning. Cornish pasties are folded over with a thick edge. Historically, 19th century miners took pasties down into the dark mines. The thick edge served as a disposable handle. Miners could hold it with their dirty fingers, eat the clean middle, and throw the crust away to appease the mischievous mine spirits called knockers. We just arrived to the harbour. Polperro is strongly affected by the tide. Right now, the harbour has no sea, and you can reach the boats by walking. There are kiosks where you can get fresh crab and lobster. One way to eat crabs is in a sandwich. Traditional crab sandwiches are made of fresh white crab meat on thick buttered brown bread with a simple squeeze of lemon and a pinch of black pepper. Delicious! The beach is also affected by the tide, of course. There are a few walking paths up the hill from where you can get nice views of the bay. Coastal path walks are just my favorite thing. From Polperro, you can go on boat trips to explore the coast or even do a return trip to Fowey. Here are the little boats.
strange now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. See so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
Such a winter's day, all the leaves are brown, and the sky is grey. I'm for a walk on a winter's day. If I didn't tell her.
I had dinner at the Three Pilchards. Amazing pub, amazing views, great food. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.